Hello guys, my name is Tahir Hassan and welcome back to another video about artificial intelligence based ChatGPT. So I am using ChatGPT from last month and it's a great tool for everyone for everything. As I am using ChatGPT for my YouTube videos, for my clients, for my e-commerce websites. So now here is a great news for everyone. So we were waiting for it from a long time. So now the time is up. So the great news is that ChatGPT have introduced their APIs for everyone. So now they have enhanced their program for everyone. So now you can use their API inside your own systems, inside your websites or your applications. You can use it for free, and it's the same as we were using Google Maps or other services inside our websites. Now it's I think it's a game changing thing for the world, as GPT has a great shout out in the world, as it's a great tool and it has turned the tables. So they have introduced the ChatGPT API for the integration purpose. They also um, introduced the Whisper API. That means that you may know about the speech, text to speech, or so the same thing is here inside the ChatGPT Whisper. So I think it's a great time to move forward with the new technology and think something outside the box and start developing the things by using this great tool. So I think it will benefit you in almost everything, like the it will save your time, it will save your money, and here you can go through the things that here are the examples also available on their news section, that how you can use it inside your websites. So let's have a look on it. So Shopify consumer app is used by 10 million shoppers to find and engage with the products and brands. You'll have ChatGPT API is used to power Shop's new shopping assistant. When shoppers search for products, the shopping assistant makes personalized recommendations based on their request. Shop's new AI powered shopping. So I think it's a great thing and it will change everything in a very less time. So start. I am very excited to look forward the results, and so you can explore the things that you can do by using ChatGPT API. I think it's amazing. And here is the Whisper API. Whisper, the speech to text model, is the open source since September 2022, has received immense praise from the developer community, but can also be hard to run. We have now made the large version 2 model available through our API, which gave convenient on-demand access priced at 0.006 per minute. In addition, our highly optimized serving stack ensure faster performance compared to, so here is a very little price as compared to the services they are offering. Great thing, great thing. I think it will cause an immense impact on the world. So here are the things that you need to go through. Developer focus. Over the past 6 months, we have been collecting feedback from our API customers to understand how we can better serve them. So these are the things that they get in the last passage of time when we were using ChatGPT. So they have used the feedback to make more improvements in their tool. So I wish you good luck. Have fun with it.